So when you're working on back underneath there on the motor, replacing the motor or solenoid or something, first thing you want to do is take this fuse out underneath your hood, put the power to the back. If it's a gas truck, there's probably a second battery under the bed or in a toolbox somewhere. This fuse will be back there. You'll have to unhook that. Change out a spline shaft motor. So first thing we do, video early on, is unhook the fuse underneath the hood so we don't have power to kill the power back here on the solenoid. So take off power wire. Power wire goes, this feeds power to your hand control, and this comes from your hand control also. So take these wires off. And then we'll take this cap off, Phillips screwdriver. And if you can rotate the motor up some, loosen the screws that hold the solenoid on. And the hot wire. And this post over here is a ground. That aside, and you should be able to slide the motor off. And there's a coupler here that you don't want to lose, that connects the motor to the pump. So set that aside. Your new motor, you pull the cap off. With the same bolt, it comes with new bolts. There's these squared nuts just holding it all together for shipping. So we need to loosen the bolts and get rid of these two nuts. There's those two nuts you can discard. And we'll put the solenoid back on. And your ground wire. Put the coupler back in. Probably be a good idea to put some grease on the splines. I was having trouble lining the motor up, but I forgot this aluminum section needs to come off, so it's on the new motor. So we'll try again. Tighten your bolts up. Screws back in. Power wire back on. And get your exciter wire for the solenoid back on. Put your fuse back in under the hood and you're done.